Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter types of chemical reactions and energies part 1. So in this chapter we are going to learn chemical reactions definition, chemical equation, rate of reaction, definition, different types of chemical reactions based on the rate, factors affecting the rate of reaction, then different types of chemical reactions based on the direction of the product formation, reversible reactions, irreversible reactions, terms related to reversible reactions, then energy changes during a chemical reaction, heat of reaction, heat of formation, heat of combustion, determination of heat of combustion, life sustaining reactions, exothermic and endothermic, factors that favor chemical reactions. After that, electrolysis. So let us start with the topic of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are very heart of chemistry. They are nothing but the conversion of reactants into products. Certain reactions, like the explosion of dynamite or forest fire, are more intense, while others, like burning of matchsticks, LPG gas, etc., are less intense. But all these reactions produce a detectable change as the properties of products differ from those of the original reacting substances. Definition of chemical reaction is that a change in which a new chemical substance with new properties is formed is called a chemical reaction. A change in which a new chemical substance with a new property is formed is called a chemical reaction. Example is H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. The substance H2 and Cl2 combine and form a new substance HCl with new properties. This is called chemical reaction. Now, chemical equation. Chemical equation. The short form representation of chemical reaction by using symbols and formulae is called a chemical equation. Example: calcium carbonate decomposes and forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Means CaCO3 calcium carbonate decomposes and forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is the chemical equation. Terms related to equation. So terms related to equation. These terms are reactants and this is the product. So first term we'll see reactants. Reactants are the substances which undergo reaction. Second point, the reactants are connected internally by plus sign. This is plus sign and they are connected internally with plus sign. Whereas the products, the substances which formed newly to the reaction are products. Second point, the products are connected internally by plus sign. The reactants and products are separated by an arrow. This is that arrow. Now, the information conveyed by a chemical equation. So, let us take the chemical equation over here as 2KNO3 gives on heat 2KNO2 plus O2. First point of this equation is the element present in the reaction: potassium, nitrogen and oxygen. So there are three elements present: potassium K, nitrogen N and oxygen O. No other element is over here rather than these three. Second observation is the number of atoms of each element taking part in the reaction is 2 of potassium, then 2 of nitrogen, and 6 of oxygen. Third point is names and the formula of the reactants. The reactant is potassium nitrate KNO3 and the product is potassium nitrate. This is potassium nitrate KNO2 plus the other one is oxygen. Fourth point is the number of moles of each reactant and products are 2 moles of KNO3, 2 moles of KNO2 and 3 moles of O2. The direction of the reaction is on the direction of this arrow, means at this side. Next thing is rate of reaction. Very important topic, rate of reaction. Now, the reaction number 1, let us see burning of magnesium. We observe that magnesium burns in air and forms white ash of magnesium oxide within seconds. In conclusion, all the chemical reactions do not occur at the same rate. Second is digestion of food. Observation is that digestion of food requires a few hours. And third one is rusting of iron. Iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moist air to form rust, which requires days and months. In conclusion, all the chemical reactions do not occur at the same rate or speed. So the definition of rate of reaction is: rate of reaction can be defined as a change in the concentration of a reactant or product per second. Change in the concentration of a reactant or product per second, or it can be defined as an increase in the concentration of reactants or decrease in the concentration of reactants per second. It can be represented mathematically as rate is equal to, rate will write equal to change in concentration of a reactant or product change in concentration of a reactant or product. Upon by time interval. And the units of this will be moles, liter, or second. Now, different types of chemical reactions based on the rate. So, chemical reactions are broadly classified into three types. Based on the rate of reaction, they are fast reaction, reactions with complete within seconds. Example, burning of crackers, reaction between marble chips and hydrochloric acid, etc. Second is moderate reaction, reactions which complete within a few hours. Example, conversion of milk into curd, hydrolysis of methyl acetate, etc. Slow reaction, reactions which require days and months for a completion. Example, rusting of iron, radioactivity, etc. So we learned the three types. First was fast reaction, second was moderate reaction, and third was slow reaction. I hope you have understood till this in part 1. In part 2, we will learn factors affecting the rate of reaction. After that, we will learn reversible and irreversible reactions. Till that, I hope you have understood this part 1. For any queries and doubt, please join the telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 2.